Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Now for this Black Friday special, we're going to go back in time just a little. We haven't been showing our sweatshirt jackets, but we want to share with you today. First of all, we're going to start with this one. These are actually made out of plain sweatshirts, so it's just as cute as it can be. And we have kits. Now this price is what they're on special right now, so we're going to have them really deeply discounted, even more than that. This one is this cute little jacket, and it has the kit. This has everything but the sweatshirt. It has your chenille, it has your button, it has your fabric to convert one sweatshirt into the cute jackets that you're seeing here. And then the bumblebee, this one is adorable too. Instead of yellow, it's going to be the green. It has your buttons, all of your fabric, and your chenille. Now, one of the things that we like to do is to put just a little bit of interest on the back of each one, so you can see that as well. Cute, cute. Okay, let me set these over here. Now we have these discounted. These are sweatpants. You can do cute things with those as well, but they're also just nice and great price. So you'll want to check those out as well. So those little jackets were started with plain and simple little sweatshirts like this. And they come in a variety of colors. You'll want to check that out. We've got lots of colors and lots of great prices. Without going to shows, we aren't moving these quite as fast as we were. And we figure there's no better time than now to go ahead and move them along so you can enjoy them for winter or make some cute little jackets for your little ones. Now this one is for the summer, and this is cute. Ta-da! I'm pulling the rabbit out of the hat. This is a cute little dress, and this dress is made out of a t-shirt. So if you have never made a t-shirt dress, let me tell you, they are fun and easy to do. And look at the back. I put some little special stuff on the back. It has cute little buttons. The kit has the chenille, all the fabric, everything you need to make this cute little t-shirt dress. So it'd be perfect for the summertime. And that particular one comes in 3 colors. So we have it in the pink like you see here. We also have it in a white and yellow. And we have it in this great little daisy fabric. So I'll show you that one. So these are great prices and great gifts that you might want to make for your little ones. Then we also have a book called Sensational Sweatshirts Secrets. Sensational Sweatshirt Secrets. It has a total of 5 different jackets. They're all just as cute as they can be. Now, here is our model for today. Hannah is modeling. Look at this great jacket. Come out here. She dressed up for it with her red glittery shoes. But on the side, you've got a little split. So we've actually put a skirt on the jacket. We have frogs up here. The book also tells you how to put a collar on a sweatshirt. So turn around, let me show you. Look at this, John. You can see the collar of the sweatshirt here, but we give you the instructions for making that cool sweatshirt jacket. This one up too. The books are on special, and so are the sweatshirts. If I have a kit, I'm going to tell you about it. This one is also in the book. Let me button that one. Oops. And turn it around and show them the back. Okay, those 2 that we just showed you are in the book. And I'm talking about taking plain sweatshirts like this, and we still do have a few of the adult size sweatshirts as well, so you'll want to check that out. But this sweatshirt was used to make this jacket. And this one has been so popular. I was just telling John and Hannah that I practically wore mine out wearing it. So cute. It does not look like a sweatshirt anymore. We do have that great collar, and the instructions are very clear on how you do that collar. So that just folds down over, and you get a great looking sweatshirt jacket. So you'll want to check this one out as well. Okay, now the next one that we have to show you is called Seasonal Jacket. And this one is really fun because, let's just lay it up here. First of all, I think it's very simple, easy to do. It has all of your basic instructions for doing a jacket. And we like to always put little extras on the back. Isn't that cool? Now this is called Seasonal Jacket because you can also make this in reds and greens to make it look like you're doing a poinsettia. So this would be adorable for that as well. And a lot of this is done with just scraps from your sewing room. The next one that we have, this one is, I think we call this one All in a Swirl. Okay, I have a pretty good memory. This one is kind of a little bit more of a modern look to it. It has all the swirls with the chenille on it. And put a little pretty button up here. And as usual, we put a little something on the back as well. We do have the patterns available for this if you want to check that out. The patterns are just $1 a piece on our Black Friday specials. Okay, the next one is super cute. We put different color buttons on this one with the frogs. So cute. And this one is just called Heart to Heart. And that one's a really cute pattern as well. So we give you all the details on how to do everything, like adjust your sleeves so that they're not so big and bulky. We show you how to do that. This one actually has a fold over so that you can put a button on it. And on the back, you've got the same thing, which is very slimming to have that long line on the back of the jacket. Okay, the next one, this is a cute one, and this one is called, I don't remember the names. These are called Christmas Wishes. And so this pattern has mother and daughter, so it tells you how to do the children's jacket as well as the adult jacket. And they have love, Noel, joy, and on the back. So very, very sweet. Now the next one is a fun, kind of a New Year's jacket or Christmas. And this one is really fun. It looks really cute to wear this one to a holiday celebration. Really nice. And it's all red and green, and it has shows you how to do the cuffs on this as well as your facings. And look at this little extra trick, because sometimes sweatshirts can be a little bit on the baggy side. We show you how you can take it up a little bit so that it's not quite so boxy. This one, we have a couple of the project packs that would include your chenille and your instructions for making the jacket. And this one is just the pattern. So this is called Wish Upon a Star. And those are also available. And some of these are pretty limited, but they're very deeply discounted. Okay, this one is called Trailing Flowers. And Trailing Flowers is one that we did, and this is all done with the chenille. And if you've never done the chenille, you should check it out. We have videos on our website under the chenille button. And this project pack includes the chenille, or you can just get the pattern by itself. And let's show you the back of this one. So we took that up and around the neck as well. And would you hand me the children's book? We showed you the children's sweatshirts earlier. We also have a book called So Precious Sweatshirts. And this one has 6 different designs, just as cute as they can be. You have little horses, fish, has a little flower jacket. Very cute. Shows you how to make the little ruffles on the bottom. So if you're interested in sweatshirt jackets, you should just scoot over there to the Black Friday specials and check it out. It's Donna Robertson. Keep watching. We've got more great specials with our Black Friday special videos.